Hello students, we have completed two methods of valuation of the goodwill, that is of average method and weighted average method. Now third method of goodwill valuation is a super profit method. Here what do you mean by super profit method? Expected excess of average profit over expected profit is called super profit. Means whenever we have expected more than that we have got the profit, so that is expected more than that we are getting, so that is super profit. Here the formula, we have to get these three formulas. First of all, we have to find out the expected profit. Then after from that expected profit, we have to get the super profit. Expected profit is equal to capital employed multiplied by expected rate of return divided by 100. So with this formula, we have to get the expected profit. Now we have to use this expected profit in the super profit. Super profit is equal to average profit minus expected profit. Okay, so with this formula we have to get the super profit, and with this super profit we have to get the goodwill. Goodwill is equal to super profit multiplied by number of years of purchase. So that way we have to get the goodwill of calculation. Now we have to go through the sum. Textbook sum number 8 is there. Pushpa, Pratibha and Bhavna are partners of the partnership firm. They decided to change their profit and loss sharing ratio from 3:2:1 to 1:1:1. Three partners were there. They have decided to change their profit and loss ratio. So goodwill also may change. So that's why they have to make the valuation of the goodwill here. They decided to make the valuation of goodwill, determine the valuation of goodwill on the basis of 3 years of purchase. So here the 3 years of purchase is very important of a super profit. So super profit through we have to make the calculation. Assets is equal to 6 lakhs, means total assets are given. Liabilities is equal to 2,50,000 and the rate of return, means the expected rate of return is of 10%. So here with this we have to get this, and data is also given, year and profit 2014-15 80,000, 2015-16 70,000 and 2016-17 90,000. So this is the sum. From this we have to get the solution. Now with this we have to make a statement showing computation of the goodwill. So with this we have to get the better idea. Now capital employed, first of all we have only two things, assets and liabilities. So here total assets minus total liabilities. So we have to get the capital employed. Total assets are of 6 lakhs and minus liabilities 2 lakhs 50,000 . 3 lakhs 50,000 we have to get. Now expected rate of return, here expected rate of return is given 10%. 10%. Now another formula, expected profit is equal to capital employed multiplied by rate of return. Capital employed, here we have get the capital employed 3 lakhs 50,000. 3 lakhs 50,000 multiplied by rate of return. Rate of return 10, परसेंटेज का निशान निकालेंगे, divided by 100. So we have to get the answer of 35,000. 35,000 expected profit. Now average profit, we have to get the average profit from this data, year and profit. 2014-15 80,000, 2015-16 70,000, 2016-17 90,000. 3 years profit is given. So we have to make the total, and total is 2,40,000. We have to place this total in the formulas for getting the average. First method, you have to be very careful. Here the first method, average profit is equal to total profit divided by number of years. So we have to get the average profit. Here total profit is of 2,40,000. and divided by number of years, 1, 2 and 3. 3 years profit is given. So it is of 80,000. So we have to place it outer side. So we have got capital employed, expected rate, expected profit and average profit. With this data we have to put on the super profit. Super profit, what is the formula? Earlier we have know about average profit minus expected profit. We have got the average profit 80,000 minus expected profit. Expected profit is also we have got 35,000. Here we have to get 45,000. Now, lastly, goodwill. We have to get the goodwill. For that, super profit multiplied by number of years. So we have got the super profit. Super profit is 45,000 multiplied by 3. 3 is of year of purchase. So here we have got the year of purchase, that is of multiplied by 3. We have to get 1,35,000. That is of goodwill. So we have lastly got the goodwill. Now we have to continue with the next session. Last time. Okay.